Unit 4. Procedures. Recording 10.
Hello, welcome to Diamond. In fact, the full name is Diamond Light Source Limited, but we all call it Diamond for short. Diamond is one of about 40 large synchrotrons in the world. Now, what exactly is a synchrotron, you may ask? A synchrotron is a huge circular ring which produces intense light with the help of electrons. Diamond is a particle accelerator that accelerates electron beams almost up to the speed of light. Now, many people ask if Diamond is the little sister of the Large Hadron Collider, the LHC, at CERN. The important point is they are both particle accelerators, but different types. The difference is in the names. CERN is a collider for studying high-energy particle collisions. Diamond is a particle accelerator which generates intense synchrotron light to study a range of samples at the atomic and molecular level. Just a few facts for you. Work on the construction of Diamond started in 2003 and was completed in 2007, and a lot of research has already been done here. About 400 people work here, and research using X-rays, ultraviolet and infrared light has been carried out in different areas, including diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's and malaria, potential new drugs, and examining metal structures for signs of metal stress.